Mama's here.
Here you go, drink your morning medicine.
Meow. Sleep well, my child.
Honey, our baby's sick.
Mother is here. You're awake, little one.
Be still, sweetheart. Let Mama wipe you.
Eat slowly, my dear.
The kitten's steps are still slow as it recovers. The mother walks close by, bending down to gently touch her child's head.
Don't rush. We can rest here for a moment if you need to. You've been very brave. Meow.
Meow.
Oh dear, let me see.
We're almost there, little one. Just a little further now. Just a little further now, my child.